perfect website, guys. Today, so easy money, so little work, and so much profit. This is how much I've earned recently with this, and you can do the same thing, guys. Everything is easy on this channel. Just make sure to watch how exactly this method works so you don't lose your time. It's simple, it's easy, and it works. So if you want to make some money, follow me along the video, and please like the video as well because it really helps. Now, let's get started. So first of all, guys, we need to go to Zazzle.com. And Zazzle.com is crazy, guys. Black Friday is now and it is 50% off. So if you want to buy some shirts, you can buy here and enjoy them as well. But we are not here for shopping today. We are here today for making money, and you are gonna be designing these t-shirts, these ornaments, these mugs. You can design anything that you want and you can earn money, and it's pretty simple, guys. It's so easy that even some babies can do it after watching this video. It is very easy. They also have a referral program which you can use to make some more money, but you don't have to because these guys will do everything for you. You will just design some things and they will make it and they will sell it. They will find a traffic for it and they will make those shirts, for example, and they will sell it online and you will get a commission, guys. Now, first of all, go here and click on register button over here, and now here just enter your email address, create password, or continue with Facebook, Google, or Apple account. This is gonna be faster, of course, and I'll see you on the inside. Now, guys, anything can be designed with this website. You can see that you can click on every picture that you got on your computer and you can customize this to your looking. These guys also have their apps on Google Play and the App Store. As you can see, at Google Play, it has 8,000 reviews already, and they've got 3.9 rating, which is perfect, guys. These guys are really popular. They've got these offers every weekend, and on these Christmases, New Year's, Hanukkah, all the holidays you can imagine, and they are pretty popular, guys. On the App Store, they've got 4.6 ratings, so you can see that these guys are pretty popular and pretty legit. They really mean business. And you don't have to worry about traffic at all, guys, because these guys are really great source of traffic. As you can see, 16 million people come on this web page every month, guys, and they order this stuff and they buy it. So you don't have to worry about that. You can see that 83% of people are from the United States. So there is a lot of money there to be made. Just follow me and let me show you how. Now, once you're on the inside, guys, I want to show you how you can create your personal t-shirt or mug or whatever you want. But I suggest that you start with t-shirt. So all you have to do is click on this create button over here, and now you will have all these templates. So for example, you have some text elements, some blank products, illustrations, backgrounds, whatever you need. You have these social media templates as well, but you should start with blank products. Click on this t-shirt over here or click on view all button over here. And now you will see that this is the options. These are the options for your designs. For example, we are gonna design this basic men's t-shirt. And now, guys, as they say, unleash your creativity. The possibilities are unlimited when you add your personal touch. Just go and search for any of these. So, for example, I like this one. It is $17, so we can make some good money, guys. And now just put your imagination to work. You can do anything of this. You can just go and explore all of the features that they've got and make yourself a new t-shirt. And because this is print-on-demand website, you can create whatever you like. You can create shoes, for example. You can create hats. You can create shirts, sweaters, jackets, whatever you want, guys. There are plenty of opportunities, and you can see how cool they can look if you just add a bit of your touch and you imagine yourself being some designer. You can create these in whichever way you want, and you can earn some money while doing that, guys. It's so easy. Now, for example, this t-shirt over here, I want to make something crazy with it. I can click on this here, add image, and this will open the editor for me, and I can upload images from my computer. I can upload it from my phone. It doesn't matter. But you can as well use their templates which they have on this website. So you can straightly go, for example, to these icons over here, click on animals, for example, and now I just search for a cat. Well, I can't find any cats here. Oh, I should click on this one, cats. So, for example, I want some nice cat image, and here example of this one, and it will automatically go to my t-shirt over there. Now I'll just have to change the color to white so it can be seen on this background, on this background, and it is it. You can now change it, you can place it wherever you want, so you can make it to your own liking. And you can see how it looks like. It will look like this once we are done with that. You can also show the video preview of it so it can rotate around to show you how your will look like, how your t-shirt will look like. So this is really nice. As you can see, this guy is wearing my shirt already. How cool is that, guys? Now I can also add my own image, so let's actually delete this one. Click on this and delete it. Now I will go back to my files and click on upload images. I have one image here. I downloaded it from the internet, and you can see once it uploads, it will become on my t-shirt. So for example, this cat over here, I like it. I will put it on my t-shirt just as that. Now you can play with this. You can just maybe make it bigger. You can make it smaller. You can flip it. You can crop it. You can do whatever you want with this sweet cat. Now you can even add 2 of these, but I won't suggest that. So you can play with it as much as you like, guys. There are no limits with this. Just add images, add whatever you like, and your t-shirt will become like that, and these guys will sell it for you. So for example, look at this one. I like this cat. It's like big and it has these eyes, so I can just go and see how it looks like on this guy right now. And as you can see, it is pretty good looking. Now you just use your imagination and the world is yours with this. Really profitable, really good. Now you can also add text. You can add some elements over here. You can add some icons. There are plenty of these opportunities. You can add emojis as well. So for example, there are a lot of these emojis, wide variety, very big selection. There is some product issues. There is my files here. So guys, pretty good website overall. So guys, I really think that this is a great opportunity for anyone looking to make some money online. It is so easy to do. You just have to be a little bit creative with this and you will earn your money. These guys will sell all these shirts, all these mugs, all these items for you, and you will get a commission of that because you are the designer. You only have to design these, and as you were able to see, it is very easy to do. You just follow some guidelines and you play a bit with it and it's done. Also, you can click on this refer a friend over here and earn $25 on top of that. And as you can see, each friend gets the fabulous deal of 60% off cards and invites, plus 20% of all other products on their first order of $25 or more. And you as well get a $25 off coupon code to use on Zazzle once your friend's order ships. So that's nice. If you have some friends who want to shop here, you will get money as well and they will get some discount. So that's nice for a start. That's nice for this Christmas and you can surprise someone with it. So all in all, guys, I hope that you learned something. I hope that you will go and take this opportunity for yourself and make some money. Go out there, take some action, do something with your life, and I'll catch you guys later.